Beautiful. Dancing, dancing.
Maya,
because I'm tired of you
dance
screaming
with her.
and whining.
So we can get on video. She's dancing like you do.
They're pretty dancing.
How about twirl? Fancy.
See? Seems to be dance class.
Beat her butt. I'm tired of doing that.
We need dance songs.
Oh,
This is just interpretive dance with no music.
Did you get that? Beat her butt on there? On the video?
And y'all should sing Under the Sea while you dance.
Cozy, huh?
Mama, help!
You got a crayon injury? Oh, Layla, you're a good dancer. It's so pretty. Ooh, nice. Keep going, girl. You're doing it. Wow. You, she's so good.
Can we get a little bit of this on video too so she can see it replayed to herself?
What's the matter, Cozy? Kabozy? Oh.
Oh, now she stops.
Okay,
Now
well,
she knows she's on video. Look
pat
at-
her on the
look at
back.
my only word.
Satan, leave this place.
Get thee behind me.
Hey, Cozy.
Play with the snake.
You don't
Just leave this place.
torture animals, do you?
What?
Oh, sorry, Layla.
Let's talk about dancing.
Oh, seriously.
This is going to be the background. It's going to be
It's
great.
gonna be first.
This is going to be great. Oh, she's
Okay.
spinning now.
Are you ready to see it on video? Okay, let's see it.
Okay.